I wanted to jump on here super quick. It is the morning after the night before that we had the amazing virtual launch party for the launch of my book, A Life Blueprint, a step-by-step guide for creating an extraordinary life. I thank you to everyone who attended. It truly was an epic evening for me, and I hope it was worthwhile for you. I also wanted to jump in and share the stats as the book sales and the reports are coming in. There are over 300,000 books that are sold globally on Amazon. We ranked number 424. In addition, in the categories that are relevant to the target audience for this book, there are 7 different categories. We were the number 1 bestseller in those categories. So I am over the moon. I am on a mission to share this process because I truly do believe that it's a tool that helps us create for ourselves the extraordinary, fulfilled lives that we truly do deserve. And I don't feel as if there's been anything in the marketplace that has provided this cohesive process or tool for us to lean into until now. So please, please, please share it out there with any of your family, friends, colleagues who you feel may need this tool or you may need it for yourself. And please keep in touch with me because I want to know how you're doing. I want to know if it's working. So far, I've shared the process with over 5,000 people, and they are living and following in the direction of their dreams and starting to achieve amazing success. And as they are sharing with me, I continue to share it with you. So please, please, please stay connected. It fills my cup. It is my mission, and I am here to help you along the way. So don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help. Have an amazing day, and I wish you an extraordinary life.